What's going on, Badger Nation? It's Michael here, and let's talk about one of my favorite features inside AdBadger. So for years, since 2017, AdBadger is always looking for ways to speed up and amplify your workflow so that optimization is easier and you can get more of it done. So one feature we recently rolled out was tags. So you can tag campaigns, ad groups, keywords, and so on. And you can do lots of creative things with it. The first thing you can do is create any kind of bucket that you want to view data on regularly. So for example, I can click, and I can tag certain campaigns, ranking campaigns, or I can tag them generic keywords, or I can tag a keyword generic keywords, or I can tag things sponsored brand campaigns, whatever I want to. I can create these custom combinations of keyword tags or campaign tags. One really fascinating usage of it is if you wanted to organize your campaigns in a way that you can quickly and easily analyze them and you didn't want to change their name, you can just tag them. So if you know that a particular product is found in a lot of different places, you can just tag the campaigns with the product ASIN that's inside of it. Let's say you have a sponsored brand campaign and you have multiple products inside of it. One thing that's really, really hard to do is actually analyze how much you spent on a individual product. So you can go ahead and sort of run that analysis now. You can filter for a product and it will include the sponsored brand campaigns that it's in. It's just one really cool way that we baked in tagging into AdBadger. You can also go to view all keywords and you can go really creative with how you tag up your keywords, whether you do ranking keywords or generic keywords or branded keywords, or you want to tag it the date of your last change, and then you can easily see the things that you changed on May 1st or something. You can do all of that. So having the ability to just tag things and organize those tags and then filter by tag has been really cool. You can do to view combinations of tags. So my ranking keywords inside a sponsored brand campaign, you can do all that magic.